So I'm back today with a live video, I guess, so no voiceover. I decided I'm going to show you guys how I do my individuals. I typically don't do individuals a lot, so I was like, you know what, I do want to do it because I just cut my hair, as you guys saw in my last video. I just cut my hair, and so I wanted to grow out, and I wanted to be in a protective style because, you know, it is January, so we're technically still in the winter months, and I don't want my hair to get messed up or anything or exposed too much to the air. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid it up. So the night before, I showed you guys in the previous video, I actually braided it into a bunch of braids. I don't know exactly how many I did, but I would suggest the range would be between like 8 and like, if you can get 14 in there, but don't count it though. So like, I guess I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, maybe about 12 or so, 12, 14 braids in my hair. So I would suggest doing that many. Now I'm going to try this method out because I used to blow dry my hair and then braid it, but I've noticed that my hair starts to frizz up in the first week or week and a half, and I don't like that because that means I have to do my hair over again, and the purpose of me doing my hair is for it to last for a month, right? So I decided just to stretch it out this time and to go ahead and just do it from there. Hey Benji, my puppy Benji just walked in the room. So I decided to just go ahead and do it from there instead of doing it like, you know, going ahead and like blow drying it out like typically you would do. And plus it saves you a little bit of heat damage, so hey. So I went ahead and braided it last night, and I'm going to go ahead and just take all of it out because this morning I got up, took all the braids out, braided it out. I mean, not braided it out, sorry. I took the braids out this morning and I went ahead and brushed it out. And then I went ahead and put in these bantu knots just to expand a little bit more so that I have the full length of hair. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of these little rubber bands out because my hair, when I cut it, is it's kind of blunt at the tips a little bit, so I need to wait until my hair starts to grow out for the tips to be a little bit more uneven so that I'll be able to, like, you know, braid down my natural hair and have, like, you know, and it gets thinner at the end. But I kind of don't mind it being like this. I feel like it's actually better than having, you know, your hair grow like that. But hey, it's just personal preference at this point. Hey Benji. At this point. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and just take all these out. Okay guys, so at this point I've gone ahead and taken my hair down, and it appears to be as stretched out as possible. I hope it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and comb it again once I start to actually get everything into, when I start parting my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and actually brush it out again and then do it, brush out the section, and then I'm gonna clip it up, and then I'm gonna part it again. And I'm gonna actually be using the rubber band method, so I typically use these clear rubber bands. Now you can use the black ones, but I know the clear ones are a bit better for your hair, but the black ones tend to the white ones, sorry, the clear ones that I have, they tend to pop faster, so they're very delicate. I mean, that's a good thing, but at the same thing, it's a bad thing. So when you're doing your hair, just definitely think about that. I just been using these, so I would say use those, but just grip the hair very tightly, but don't grip it tight at the roots. When you grip it tight at the roots, you're gonna have a problem. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up and part it, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Okay guys, I am back. So I'm not gonna lie, I took about 30 minutes trying to part my hair in the back. I even broke my mirror. So I'm like so light right now because I'm not a good parter in the back, and I can't see my own hair, you know what I mean? So if I can't see how I'm parting, whenever I see that it's not parted right, I'm like, okay, I gotta redo it again. So I was sitting there for 30 minutes trying to redo it, and I'm just like, you know what, it's not worth it. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm actually gonna start in the front of my hair this time instead of starting in the back. It'll definitely be different because I'm not accustomed to doing it in the front first, but I'm gonna see how that works out. I always like emphasize whenever you want to do something, and you can't figure it out the way somebody else do it, try it to do another way. Figure it out. There's a way you can do it yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna see if there's a way to figure out if there's a way for me to figure out how to do it myself right now, going to the front. If not, I'm just gonna start in the back again like I'm used to. But if anything, I'm gonna try the front real quick to see how it turns out. And if it turns out good, then I'm just gonna start using the front instead of going to the back, because the back is a little bit harder. Oh, but I did not mention, I meant to mention this. Hi, Benji. He's back again. I meant to mention, I'm probably gonna be using, ooh, I don't even know how many packs are here, because this is all old leftover here. And I'm doing like kind of bob. They're gonna be like right here or so. So I don't know how much hair I'm gonna be using, only because this is leftover here and I've already cut it from the last time I was gonna use it. I just went ahead and cut it already, so it's pre-cut. But I do have some packs of hair behind me that I'm kind of sitting on this chair that I have not cut yet. They're full length. So I would suggest, typically I use, I'm gonna say between 8 and 10 packs. Now, it depends on your texture of hair, and it depends how thick your hair is, how big you want the braids, how small you want them, and how long you want them. So you have to take all of that into consideration. Since mine are short, I might not use all the hair I have, but I probably will. It depends. Now, my last twists that were all the way down, like they were full length because I didn't cut the hair, I used about 10 packs of hair. Jumbo packs too, so yeah, it was a lot of hair, but it depends on what you guys want to do with your hair. So it's just like, you know, with braiding your hair, it's a trial and error. So you have to kind of figure out, you know, what to do. So yeah. But right now I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. And I'm going to like start it off so you guys can see where I'm going to start at. And then I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I went ahead and parted it this way. And I'm going to do this much of a box spray. So I'm going to go ahead and comb my hair out. I'm gonna use, I have both of these. I have the Cream of Nature Argan oil. This is the perfect edges. Now this one's the extra hold. Sorry, I have hair in my mouth. So either you can use this one or you can use this one, but I have enough of both, so I'm probably gonna just switch between the two. So I'm gonna go put a handful on my finger. Do like this. You're gonna put it here. Here, you're gonna put it in the back right here, and then you're gonna put it up to keep this part right here from like interfering, right? And if you need more, go ahead and put more. Because you want it to be as slick down as possible. And I got my little toothbrush. Yeah, I have various amounts of toothbrushes, so. Like slick it down. So we're gonna get the rubber band. You're gonna grab it. I'm gonna put it here. Keep wrapping around until you think it's tight enough. Right? Do a little bit, but not too much because you don't want it to be hard on your edges. Grab it. Ew, I didn't get it the first time. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one and do this right now too, only because I don't have my hair ready yet, so yeah, it's still together. Okay guys, so I am starting on the other side. This is this side. Some of them are short because I use shorter hair. Like I said, I'm going to fix them. This is my little technique whenever I do my hair. I usually, like, it's kind of messy, and then when I get that it ends, I start to redo everything. Not completely, but I start to redo it everything, so when I get ready to dip it, it's a lot easier. my positioning probably looks a little bit different because my phone cut off earlier and I had to readjust it because I was trying to plug it in, so it might not be adjusted right. But I'm done with this whole section up here, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and face my fears and hit the back section. I'm a little bit more confident since I've already done this part and I did really good parting, so I think back there should not be a problem. Just gotta you know, get in it and do it and go, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done with the first back section. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I'm done. I'll be back. Like this. Twist the hair itself, bring it around. Twist the hair again, bring it around. Let's see. I think you can see it. Like, twist the hair, bring it down. Like this, like twist it. You see how I'm twisting it? Yeah, you're gonna go ahead and twist it like that. So, hope you guys can see me doing this one. I guess I'll turn around this way now. So, twist it, and then we're twisting it, and then we're gonna go ahead and just bring it all the way down. Alright guys, so the back is done. I hope you can see it. I know they're not perfect, but I'm horrible at doing the back because I can't see. So I think everything else up here should be easier, but these were the hardest to do. Now some people, they are very skilled, like myself, so they can do the back no problem, but you know, I'm still learning and every day I want to improve, so I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, Positive gang, I am done with my hair. Wow. Okay. This is what a little bit of what it looks like. I think that's the rubber band. It popped. Yeah, the white rubber bands, like I told you guys, they tend to pop fast, so you gotta be careful. Yeah, so I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and cut these because I want them to be like, you know, right here. I want them to be very short, and I kind of like that little side part. I didn't even intentionally do that because my part is in the middle, so but I think I'm gonna leave them like this. But I'm going to go ahead and cut my hair first, and then I'm going to dip it, I think, and then I'm gonna put rubber bands, or I might dip it now, cut it, and then put the rubber bands on it. I'm not sure what I want to do yet because I want it to look nice still, but I'll go ahead and probably show you guys me dipping my hair once I get the water boiling. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So these are my Senegalese twists. I just hope they last this time. It's just so hard for me to like my hair last, and I'm like, oh, as you see, I switched chairs. My other chair was hurting my booty, you know, sit down on it. Yeah, so I'll be back, guys, in a little bit once I'm done with everything. I'll show you what my full hair looks like. I really like it, that's why I keep touching it. I'll show you what my full hair looks like, and yeah. Okay, Positive gang, I am done. Whew, after forever. It is like almost 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just finishing my hair. Like oh, what is that? What do I keep seeing it? Oh, I thought I missed one. I guess not. So yeah, guys, so I went ahead and trimmed them. I didn't show you when I put them in the hot water because they were dripping all over the place, and I didn't want water in my room, so I just left it in the bathroom. My goodness. But the gist of it is, when you just when you're done with your hair, you just like section it off like this and just dip it in the water, take it out, get the towel, just pat it dry and stuff like that. And make sure not to scrunch it too much because otherwise the ends will get like really nasty looking. And don't put too many in at the same time either, because the same thing will happen. It'll look nasty. So yeah, Positive gang, that's it. I'm finished. I'm probably gonna put a little bit more here. Now I'm gonna point this out. Because of the way I cut my hair the other day, my hair does stick out of the twist. So It's called Fake It Till You Make It. Until I can figure out how to do it where my hair doesn't stick out. I went ahead and put my little silver pieces on each piece of my hair. Not each, but like the parts that were in the front that were showing the most. And I put it there to cover over the part of my hair that was popping out. So now it just looks like it's complete twist and it doesn't look that bad. So I'm like, yay! And I'm so glad because before I cut my hair, it would look bad because my hair was like kind of like different layered, and it would look really, it would get really fuzzy, and I'm just like, I don't like that. But now that I cut it, it's like just my hair is just one place that is cut, and I'm just like, oh yeah, that's so cool. So yeah, Positive gang. I would encourage you guys, if you're on a natural hair journey and you are transitioning, I would suggest cut your hair. It's gonna grow back, girl. Gonna grow back healthier, stronger, longer, and nicer. So I would suggest definitely doing a big chop. I didn't do a big chop. I just trimmed mine. I mean, if you really want to think so, I kind of did, but not really. But I would suggest cutting it. If you want to cut your hair, go ahead and cut your hair. If not, then go ahead and grow it out. Just make sure you trim your ends and pay attention to your hair, cause yeah, I'm trying to grow my hair out like pretty much the same length because it was really uneven. So that's why, another reason why I just was like, cut it off, you know. So I'm happy, I'm satisfied. I actually like the way these came out. You know, some of the ends, like that one is kind of like, you see how it's poking out right here? Just put it down right there and boom, that you can't even see it. I'm gonna fix this one. These are a little thin, I noticed, so I'm just gonna like take the rubber band off and retwist them. And yeah, that's it. So hope you guys like my hair. Love you, Positive gang. Have a great night. I encourage you to try doing your hair in twists and braids. I am gonna post a video of me braiding my hair soon, probably in a month, because when I usually do my hair like this, it takes me forever to get back and start doing it again. So yeah, it's gonna be a while. But yeah, Positive gang, love you guys so much. I hope you like my hair. Like, comment, subscribe to this video, and please share if you found it informational and you want some of your friends to know how to do their hair. Yeah, save you a lot of money too. Girl, you want to save some money? I advise you watch this video. Okay guys, I'm done. Oh yeah, so can we get this to like maybe like 10 likes, 20 likes, like bro, give me some likes. So okay guys, love you so much. I really hope you like this. Talk to you later. Bye. Positive gang. Freedom. I thought I was gonna fall, and I really wanted to fall, but I didn't want to fall. You know what I mean? I wanted to be like, and then like it just zoomed out, but yeah. Okay. Bye, Positive gang.